How to specify delivery optimization download mode in Windows. Need to fine-tune how updates are downloaded and delivered across your network? In this video, we'll show you how to manage delivery optimization settings for Windows updates and Microsoft Store downloads in Windows 10 and 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding delivery optimization. Delivery optimization allows Windows to download updates not just from Microsoft servers, but also from nearby devices, saving time and reducing bandwidth. For example, in an office, if one device has already downloaded an update, others can fetch it directly from that device. So how do you configure it? How to specify delivery optimization download mode. There are two common ways to configure delivery optimization: using the Settings app and through the local group policy editor. You'll need administrator privileges for both these methods, and it's a good idea to back up your system settings first. Let's start with the Settings app. In Windows 11, here's how to specify delivery optimization's download mode. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Then navigate to Windows Update, Advanced Options, and then Delivery Optimization. Toggle Allow downloads from other devices and choose between devices on my local network and devices on the internet and my local network. In Windows 10, the steps are similar but with slight differences. After right-clicking the Start button and choosing Settings, go to Update and Security, Windows Update, and then Delivery Optimization. Then toggle Allow downloads from other PCs and choose your preferred download mode. For more control, use the local group policy editor. First, press Win+R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and then Delivery Optimization. Double-click Download Mode and set it to Enabled. From here, choose a mode: 0 for HTTP only, 1 for local network, default, peers behind same NAT, 2 for private group, 3 for internet peers, 99 for HTTP only, no cloud, and 100 for bypass, deprecated in Windows 11. Don't forget to hit OK and restart your PC or run gp-update/force. In the end, the next time you need to quickly update your endpoints without using too much bandwidth, remember that delivery optimization is a worthwhile option to consider. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to specify delivery optimization download mode in Windows, linked in the description below.